This is Aubrey from Marc's Mobility, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery tray on a Jazzy Carbon. Okay, so the battery tray is what holds your battery in place underneath the seat on your Carbon. Basically, there's going to be 4 Phillips head screws that are holding it on, with 5/16 nuts underneath on the bottom side. I've got a shorter screwdriver, so I'm going to be able to do it underneath the seat, but if you need to, if you don't have a screwdriver this short, the cover on this pan can be taken off by removing these 4 screws in the corner. You can take this off and get it out of your way, but I'm just going to do it from underneath it since I have the tools I need. Alright, so I'm going to start with the front screws, Phillips up top, 5/16 wrench at the bottom. Once you removed the 4 screws with the 4 nuts, this will just come loose, and the last part is going to be disconnecting this harness, which is on a control module on the back of the chair. Okay, so this is the control module that wire is running to. There are a couple screws holding this cover on. Again, Phillips head. We're going to take out. And this is the cable we're looking for. It's attached to the rest of these. So we're going to have to cut this zip tie to remove it. Going to want to follow it down. And it's going to be this red and black cable running here to these positive and negative symbols. You just pull them out. Run it back through the front. And that's what the battery tray looks like removed. Now to reinstall your new battery tray, you're going to come up through here underneath the seat, between the seat and the frame. Just kind of get this sitting there for now, because first thing we're going to do is plug our cables back in. You're going to run these by your other cables here. And again, it's the red is going to be to your positive, and the black is going to be to your negative. Then we're going to put our cover back on. You can zip tie these cables back together. I don't have one on me, but just one single zip tie should be good to kind of keep them all clumped together. All right, and once you have your 3 screws back in, we're going to go back to the front of the chair. We're going to take our 4 screws and go first through the battery tray and then into the frame. You can kind of get your screws in place before we start doing our nuts at the end of them, just so it keeps the tray in place while we're working on it. We'll take our nuts, get them started. I like to get all of them at least onto the screw before tightening the first one. And then we can go and tighten with our Phillips head and 5/16 on the bottom. And once your tray is installed, you can slide your battery back in, holding this tab. Right in, release, and make sure you got power so we know we installed that harness correctly. And we do have power. So that is how you install or replace the battery tray on a Jazzy Carbon.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.